Today in crypto. Mojito, a non-fungible token, NFT, startup, has raised the sum of $20 million from investors, the chief of whom is the legacy art auction house Sotheby's. While Sotheby's has recorded a positive stint in the NFT metaverse in the year-to-date period, the investment in Mojito comes off as the first time that the auction house will be investing directly in crypto or blockchain-related outfits. We believe in the future of using blockchain to expand ownership of digital assets, says Charles F. Stewart, Sotheby's CEO. There is a huge amount of focus and interest in NFTs. We hear about these categories from most of our existing clients and collectors. Still, we are also engaging with a rather large new audience focused on this category. Sotheby's mission is to promote access and ownership of exceptional art and luxury objects, so focusing and developing this area makes a lot of sense. Mojito's role in the booming industry is well defined. It partners with brands to conceptualize, design, and develop bespoke NFT marketplaces on top of the Mojito platform while also serving as a full-service NFT marketing partner and tech advisor. The Delaware-based startup said it would use the new funding to expand its engineering team while also ink deals with other projects to design more functional NFT platforms. Despite there being a record of the growth of the NFT ecosystem that has primarily ushered an increased transaction volume on all marketplaces within the past year, the industry is still lacking the tag for being user-friendly. This remains one of the barriers to entry that Mojito seeks to eliminate. The crypto space has gotten a bad rap for being inaccessible and hard. We want to help lower the barrier to entry, make it easy, make it fun, and give brands space to make it their own, says Dan Kinsley, CEO and co-founder of Mojito. I'm passionate about decentralization in general and helping bring users into the space, and this is a great conduit for that. Beyond the Mojito funding, the broader cryptocurrency and blockchain ecosystem has been seeing the influx of venture capital funds as investors explore all means to gain exposure to the fast-growing blockchain world. Ethereum's market capitalization recently breached the $500 billion mark as more investors keep a keen eye on this network. Ethereum's uptick in activities can be illustrated by the fact that burnt Ether stands at 608,567 ETH, worth $2,089 billion since the London Hardfork or IP 1559 upgrade went live on August 5. This upgrade prompted the first ever deflationary block on the Ethereum network because scarcity was introduced every time Ether was burned after being used in transactions. This feature helped in eliminating inflationary tendencies that the network was accustomed to before. The London Hardfork upgrade also eradicated the use of other digital tokens for payment of fees on the Ethereum network. Only Ether was utilized, thus restoring the unique relevance of the ETH cryptocurrency. Total value locked in Ethereum 2.0 breaks the record according to crypto analytic firm Glassnode. The total value in the ETH 2.0 deposit contract just reached an ETH of 8,290,000 ETH. Ethereum 2.0, also known as the Beacon Chain, was launched in December 2020 and was regarded as a game-changer that sought to transit the current proof-of-work (POW) consensus mechanism to a proof-of-stake (POS) framework. The POS algorithm allows the confirmation of blocks to be more energy efficient and requires validators to stake Ether instead of solving a cryptographic puzzle. As a result, it is touted to be more environmentally friendly and cost-effective. ETH 2.0 is also expected to improve scalability through sharding. Israel intends to launch its CBDC on the Ethereum network. Israel plans to launch its central bank digital currency, CBDC, on the Ethereum network through its central bank, the Bank of Israel. The trial intends to check the pros and cons of digital currencies, and the nation sees Ethereum as an ideal solution. CBDCs represent the digital form of a nation's fiat money. They are managed directly by the country's central bank and are backed by national credit and government power. To stabilize currency's liquidity, which the seemingly inevitable cashless society in the future, many countries are now launching experiments to test the workings of CBDC. In September, the Bank for International Settlements, BIS, teamed up with the central banks of South Africa, Malaysia, Singapore, and Australia to kickstart a project dubbed Dunbar to test the application of CBDCs in cross-border payments. The NFT space is exploding as more and more industries are putting their hat in the ring, launching projects of their own. Photography is no different. Photography continues to thrive thanks to social media platforms like Instagram. Today, taking photos is something people use to document their whole lives, not just take a family snapshot. With the resounding success of the NFT space as a whole, it only makes sense that high-quality photos would thrive in a decentralized, digitized, and art-abundant world. The market is generally pretty volatile. With the constantly changing prices of crypto, the value of NFTs continues to rise. The NFT industry is constantly growing and evolving, with innovations always around the corner. With these new eyes and developments within the space, NFTs will continue to receive support from institutional investors. The communities and support that is surrounding these projects will also continue to grow larger and larger. The utility of NFTs will grow more diverse than ever before, making it the perfect time to jump into the space with an inventive and new NFT that tends to have a niche but dedicated audience. Peter Hurley, the founder of SHIB, is a portrait photographer based in New York and Los Angeles. Hurley is a world-famous headshot photographer, regarded as an industry leader within his field. He is best known for capturing genuine expressions for his executive business portraits and actors' headshots. Hurley is an official partner of Canon, B&H Photos and many other major brands. After writing his first book, The Headshot, a #1 bestseller in photography on Amazon, Hurley founded Headshot Crew. Headshot Crew is now the largest network of headshot specialists globally with 18,668 photographers from 136 countries worldwide. The SHIB NFTs are shaping up to be an excellent doorway for photography to get some representation within the NFT industry. With backing from people like Hurley, who is an industry leader within his respective space, it is set to become huge. This set of NFTs looks to be the first ever photography-inspired collection with life-changing perks. With the unique approach of having perks exclusive to a single token, these NFTs are a new spin on the old formula that will excite the community and build a dedicated following. Keep an eye on what is next for Peter Hurley and the SHIB crew. The non-stop surge of the canine-themed SHIB halted when Elon Musk revealed he owns none of the coins. SHIB already surged past its ATH, but after this shocking reveal, SHIB plummeted down to 20%. The Twitter, NYSE, TWTR, crypto community has varied reactions on the matter. The world has seen how the canine-themed coin, Shiba Inu, SHIB, continuously increased over the past weeks. However, this took to a sudden halt when a Twitter user, @ShibaInuHodler, bravely asked the Tesla, Nasdaq TSLA, founder, Elon Musk, if he owned SHIB or not. Much to the Twitter crypto community's surprise, Musk replied none, which sparked interesting conversations in the space. None. Elon Musk, @ElonMusk, October 24, 2021. The user, @ShibaInuHodler, then suggested Musk to invest in SHIB, perhaps to save his face and cover up the unexpected answer from him. Of course, the Twitter crypto space has varied reactions on the matter. Some even criticized the @ShibaInuHodler for even thinking of engaging Musk in this. Furthermore, 2 hours after this heated conversation, SHIB plummeted to 20%. The retracement came just after SHIB surged its previous ATH, $0.00044 on October 24. Looking at SHIB's graph above, one can see its stable growth. The coin quickly rose in ranking. Now, it is at the 13th spot in CoinMarketCap. However, as also seen in the graph, SHIB must have a strong community as it quickly recovered from the sudden dip. Knowing this, traders could conclude that with Elon Musk or not, SHIB shows a promising future ahead of it. At the time of writing, Shiba Inu, SHIB, trades at $0.0003987, with a 171.35% 24H volume increase, according to CoinMarketCap. Continue reading on CoinQuara. CoinMarketCap, a price-tracking website for cryptocurrencies, has reportedly fallen victim to a hack that leaked 3.1 million, 3,117,548, user email addresses. The information came into light after the hacked email addresses were found to be traded and sold online on various hacking forums, and revealed by Have I Been Pwned, a website dedicated to tracking hacks and compromised online accounts. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.